Hey everyone, it's Alyssa here with Darn Good Yarn, and today we're going to go over some of the basic fundamental stitches and techniques that you need to know to get into crochet. The first thing you're going to need to know how to do is to create a slip knot. Now this is really easy and it's probable that you already know how to create this. The first thing that you're going to want to do is hold the yarn kind of in an upside down U shape, with the working end to the long end attached to your ball on one side and the short cut end on the other side. To flip that loop, making sure that the long working end of your yarn is going over the short cut end of your yarn. Then you can insert your fingers into that loop and pinch up the working yarn, pulling it through the loop, and then tighten. This is going to create your slip knot, and you can see that it is adjustable. You can pull on the working end to make it shorter. You can pull from the loop to make it larger. Then you can stick your slip knot loop right onto your crochet hook and pull it taut. You don't want to pull too tight, but you do want to make sure it's pretty snug to the hook. Now we're going to work on the chain stitch. The chain stitch is pretty fundamental. You use it almost in every single project that you're going to do. What you're going to want to do with your hook in the slip stitch is to bring your yarn around from the back and over your hook. This yarn is going to rest in the little crevice where the neck and the head of your hook meet. From there, you're going to pull that yarn through your slip knot to create a loop. That's your first chain stitch. Now you're going to continue to repeat this process as many times as needed. And the next thing that you need to know with chain stitches is how to count them. The loop of yarn that is on your hook does not count as a stitch. So the first complete stitch down the row from that loop is your first chain stitch. The next one is your second chain stitch. What you're going to want to do here is, now that we've done the chain stitches, we're going to start working on the single crochet stitches. What you have to do is insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. Insert your hook into that loop, yarn over, pull through to pull up a loop. Now you'll have two loops on your hook. What you're going to want to do from here is yarn over your hook one more time and pull that loop through both of the loops on your hook, leaving just one loop on your hook and a completed chain stitch behind you. And then you will just repeat that process over and over. Insert your hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both of your loops. Insert your hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops. There you go. That is how easy it is. Now you've got some chain stitches and some single crochets, and you're ready to get crocheting. If you found this tutorial helpful, interesting, or informative, remember to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thanks!